Selling products that are made in the USA is about much more than just patriotism. AmpliVox has long believed in making its products in the USA to ensure durability, reliability, versatility, and aesthetic appeal. To ensure these standards, we keep our design and manufacturing in Northbrook and McHenry, Illinois. In these two northern Illinois cities, we have our own design, engineering, technology, manufacturing, and woodshop teams. This enables us to strictly control the creation of our products from beginning to end. So you get American-made quality on portable PA systems, lecterns, multimedia and ABA furniture, acrylic and contemporary lecterns, tabletop lecterns, and speakers. At AmpliVox, we ensure quality on your products from beginning to end. But we also confess we love the USA. Extend your voice and project your image with AmpliVox.